Now we are going to demonstrate how to determine the plastic limit. Plastic limit is the lower bound of the plastic state of soil. This means that if the soil is a little drier than the plastic limit, the soil particle would crumble. Do not use a specimen that is too wet for the plastic limit test. Use a specimen that has a state similar to the soil in my hand. That is, if you squeeze the soil, you will see the fissures on the soil surface, and there may even be some crumbled soil particles. We can first prepare a bowl of soil specimen. Initially, the soil may still be a little wet. Put the soil in our hands and knead it such that some moisture will be absorbed by our hands. There are some crumbled soil particles, which means that this soil specimen is close to the plastic limit. This is the ground glass plate. There are two sides. One side is smooth and one side is rough. The rough side should be facing up. Moisture can be absorbed by the glass plate when we roll the soil on it. Take a soil specimen with the size of a peanut. You should sit down when you perform the test. Do not use your fingers but simply roll the soil specimen on the ground glass plate with the palm of your hand until it is 3 mm in diameter. Use the 3 mm metallic thread as a reference for the diameter. Repeat the test until the 3 mm soil thread shows sign of crumbling. The crumbled soil thread should not be longer than 10 mm or shorter than 3 mm. The surface of the soil should be chapped. Transfer the soil to an evaporating dish using a medicine spoon. Within 2 minutes of rolling, you should obtain at least 5 grams of crumbled soil that is at plastic limit. Put the crumbled soil in the drying oven for at least 24 hours and then determine the water content. There should be at least 3 independent test data points. The average water content is the plastic limit.